Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm The Natural One and this is another seedling update video. Thank you so much to my subscribers and my new subscribers. Welcome. As you guys can see, my zucchini, my dill, and my watermelon are doing good, guys. The radishes and winter squash looks good, guys. I actually harvested some radishes, so I'm going to show a clip of that. The cauliflowers are coming along quite well. This tower has the different types of peppers, an eggplant, and a cauliflower that ended up there. Now I think I planted them too close together, but we're going to see how it goes. I'm just so thankful that it didn't die when I transplanted it, so. And I think that was a weed that's growing to the right, so I ended up pulling it out because I'm just like, this don't look right. Up next is my herb garden. Look at my lettuce, guys. That looks so good. Look at the lonely little lettuce over there. The chives had no success this year so far. The spinach right there in the middle by the pole looks good. The kale's doing good, and the thyme, which is underneath of the kale, which I'll be showing momentarily. You can see it right there. Here we go. It's doing good. Up next is the tomatoes and onions. I know that the tomatoes are kind of close together. I'm going to figure out something because I don't really want to kill off the plant, you know, pluck it out. So I'm going to figure out something. This is the tomatoes and basil. I got enough tomatoes to give you heartburn, right? Now I did still shots of the ginger that's in this particular pot because I couldn't get a good angle and it wasn't looking right. So I was like, you know what? You guys gonna get a picture because y'all deserve better than that. And this is the ginger that is planted with my mystery seeds. And this is really it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. I update weekly. Thank you to my subscribers who comment. And if you are gardening, please tell me how your garden is doing. Click here for more videos like this.